Hey everyone, this is Will, and I'm a contributor to the Metacolony. Now if you're not familiar with the Metacolony, it's the DAO that supports the development and the growth of the Colony protocol. Now today, we're going to take a look at some of the primary features that make Colony really the best way to build your decentralized organization. Now whether this is your first time getting into DAO building or you've been around the blockchain a few times, you'll find that the Colony Toolkit has everything you need to get started with getting contributors paid and scaling your organization. Features like reputation-based governance, lazy consensus, and smart fund management go a really long way in building a robust and sustainable organization, no matter what the goals of your project are. Now in future videos, we'll be diving deeper into each one of these tools, plus covering way more that's in the Metacolony pipeline, so be sure to subscribe to this channel to stay in the loop. The first feature we're going to look at today is called reputation-based governance. Now, you may already be aware of some of the many downsides of token-based governance systems. Reputation-based voting makes it so a contributor's voting power is directly related to the value they actually add to the organization. This means that if you want to have a say in governance decisions, you need to actually show up and get stuff done. As you get paid for your work, you'll also be building up your reputation score. In a colony, you can actually have multiple reputation scores. You can have one within your specific team, such as a score just for the video team, along with a DAO-wide score that encompasses everyone. This makes it so teams can have autonomy within their own domains, while generally staying aligned with the greater organizational goals. One important point about reputation scores on Colony is that they actually decay over time. This serves two functions. It incentivizes contributors to regularly show up and put in work, and it avoids the problem of early contributors having an unfair amount of influence over current governance decisions. Now obviously, voting on every single decision within your organization is a giant waste of time. Lazy consensus makes it so you only need to actually vote when there's a disagreement about something. So a good rule of thumb when it comes to governance, keep it lazy. Now let's talk about fund management. This is one of the most important set of tools in the DAO Builders Toolkit, and really one of the primary reasons why we're seeing builders show up and launch colonies. The fund management features allow you to pay teams of contributors in a way that's transparent, straightforward, and easy for them to understand. You can allow teams to divvy up funds amongst themselves, which enables the organization to more efficiently scale up its operations. You can even mint your own native token from right within the Colony dApp, which is pretty cool. Now, fund management features are constantly being added to the Colony protocol, so be sure to keep up with the latest news in Discord. So the last feature we're going to talk about today is on-chain governance. Now with Colony, important governance decisions are recorded on-chain, and the outcomes of those decisions can actually trigger events on the blockchain automatically. That means, say, if one DAO wanted to send funds to another DAO, the passing of their governance vote would automatically trigger the payment to the other DAO without the need for additional transactions to be submitted from trusted multi-sig holders. Another advantage to on-chain governance is that you don't have to worry about the history of your DAO getting lost if a server somewhere gets shut down for whatever reason. On-chain governance allows you to future-proof your organization as the industry evolves and really be ready for the next generation of on-chain DAO integrations. Now today we've just scratched the surface of what's possible when you launch a DAO on Colony. Be sure to check out colony.io, hop into the Discord server, and join up with the community. On behalf of the DAO builders everywhere, welcome to the future of work.